Katkum kajing itu do menteri ketanat CNR di blok ubah presiden song kasorkar kebut hong penchina shwa komba shispa sampotli kite pankana kiba compare shibo na pankana blodon lupa namar kim penmi setia ya kajing sma uting hari ya kajabo kabami na kite ki pankana lapan kalapat eki shakile airshad lane thangding bat ruwat ban penmi ya ko ban penokam ha katung jintung Menteri Ulang Ru balada kata kesin persang kalong kebajom katanat kan penyo da kita ki pankana biodigester habaro kinong kendong kamtam syakitu kilong yang mempadon pankana Menteri Ulay Thuru baya kata kam la IT haki Deputy Commissioner bat Block Development Officer bakin pet bat bisar banyak ya kinong yo ya kita ki pankana katanat kelajit ru ya kamirdon long ba Riboy District kum kawai na kisnong banyo ya kum kita ki jat pankana.
One is the guidelines for installation of biodigesters, and the other one is the technical and procurement manual. This is a very new initiative that we have taken. Very new initiative. I think you must be remembering that time when we came back from Lakshadweep. The Principal Secretary and myself, we went personally to see the success stories of installation of these biodigesters. So after seeing, we were so convinced that we should also bring in this technology in the state. So ultimately the government has sanctioned, earmarked some funds on this particular new initiative, and the department all these months, days, years, they work out everything, both the manual as well as for the guidelines. How do we go about it, since it is a very new initiative, as I've said to you. So ultimately we came out with these two documents, and I'm sure from henceforth we will be able to carry out this new initiative in the entire state.
Haba penrap lang UKN Kumar Principal Secretary ketika tenat ulaya tu bagajinsna ya ketika pankana kansyong dor kumba live kunda hajar tingkan na kabenta sangut kinong penongkam katba na kabenta kitu kebadan hadu sipongut kinong penongkam kajinglut menchna kan long kumba sanpu ar hajari ei utei uhe sarkar ulaya tu ru bakat kum ka khana samari jong usnam azakarwei kajingdon kinong songsinong jong kejala kalong hadu ar khundai lak bat na kisan lak live pra hajar aspa khandai phunai tali kilong yeng kumba live saw nak shispa kidang beteng ya kajinglet bar syaru sakyar shushu ulong ru balada phai pat sakisnong hanong kendong nak saw lak arpu ar hajar shispa khandai phunyo tali kilong yeng ha kajalla kiyeng ki bampat don pankhana kilong hadu sapulai nak shispa kumta ulong balada khen kilom baro kilong yeng ki bamdon pankhana kilong hadu live phunyo nak shispa kajing soy jong katanat CNRD bat ka Center for Innovation in Public System kadai hadirin kajing wanjurib jong menteri katanat Shalak Shudi hadirin bulayo I de lagi jong kikmat bagi te gejak penkhana gidai papaka palat bandon ha kani kejelaru ya kate skim la IT ha ka SIRD barapani ban pentrei namar badon ye ki engineer ki ada pentibet Shah CIPS Hyderabad badru Shadi RDO Gwalior.